In class 11 business studies, we are on chapter number 6, that is social responsibilities of business. And class 11 business studies, we are on chapter number 6, that is social responsibilities. And today I am going to explain you types of social responsibilities we must have. What is the meaning of social responsibility, my dear children? Social responsibility means responsibilities towards society. We have responsibility towards society because we are the part of the society, and businessman is doing business with the help of society. That's why social responsibility means responsibilities towards society. What are the responsibilities? Yes, my dear children. First of all, our responsibility is to provide better quality products, charge reasonable price by not polluting the environment. Okay, so these are the social responsibilities. So first of all, give the heading chapter 6, and the name of chapter 6 is social responsibilities and business ethics. And in this chapter, CBSE removed various topics. So whatever the topics are there, I am going to explain you. This chapter reduced by, with many topics are deleted. So don't follow the NCERT. Just whatever I am teaching you, you can do these one. And if you have any doubt, you can ask. But first of all, the name of chapter is Social Responsibility and Business Ethics. So, social responsibility means responsibilities towards society. And society is consisting employees, customers, yes, suppliers, social groups, government, income tax authorities. So various parts are there in social group or in society. So first and foremost responsibility of business is towards customers. Provide better quality of products, charge reasonable price, don't do malpractices. And towards employees, what are the social responsibilities towards employees? Better salary, better working conditions, give them chances of growth and training. Then what are the responsibilities towards government? Follow the rules of the government. Yes. Pay the taxes on time, then the government will work. Then what are the responsibilities towards society or the social groups? Follow the sentiments of religions. Do not pollute the environment. Work for the betterment of society. Better quality products at reasonable price. Don't indulge in anti-national activities. So these are the topics we will discuss here in this chapter. But first topic is types of social responsibilities. So my dear children, our today's topic is kinds of social responsibilities. Shall I? I'm doing it a little bigger. Kinds of social responsibilities. There are 4 types of social responsibilities. Types of social responsibility, or we can say kinds of social responsibilities. Am I audible? Archer? Am I audible? Okay. And this is visible clearly. Types of social responsibility. First responsibility is economic responsibility. Economic responsibility means this is the responsibility of business to earn profits. Because the main aim of business is to earn profits, to do the profit activities, to do the economic activities. So the main aim of business is to produce goods, provide the services to the society, fulfill their requirements and wants, and sell the products at profit. So first responsibility is economic responsibility. First responsibility is economic responsibility. You can make your own notes. There are 4 kinds of social responsibilities, and the first responsibility is economic. Economic means since the business is an economic entity, it has to produce goods and services that society wants and sell them at profits. So if you are doing business, then first and foremost responsibility of yours is economic. Economic means because you set up your business to provide services, to do the exchange of goods, to produce something, to sell something, to purchase something. So this is your responsibility, that you should fulfill the wants and needs of the society, sell the products at profit, not appropriate profit, sell the products at reasonable price, don't indulge in any anti-national activities, don't do malpractices. This is our economic responsibility. Okay? As you know, business is an economic entity. That's why it's our duty to sell the products, earn the profits, and it is economic because this is economic entity. As in the initial days, the first day of business studies, I told you, every human being is performing 2 activities, economic activity and non-economic. Economic activities are those activities which we perform to earn money, to earn profits, like a teacher is teaching you in the school, that is employment. A doctor is giving you prescription, that is profession. And a producer is making something, a businessman is selling something, that is business. That's why it is termed as economic activity. So first responsibility is economic. Second, legal. What is your responsibility? Follow the rules, follow the laws, practice the rules given by the government. That is legal responsibility. Legal responsibility. Legal. Legal means the business has to operate within the laws of the countries. Every businessman should follow the rules, regulation, norms, laws of the country, or the instructions of the government. Like you can see, nowadays, I'm going to explain you. Nowadays, the government said, no mask, no entry. Have you seen this one? No mask, no entry in the shop. This is the legal responsibility of businessmen to follow the norms and laws of the government. Like as a citizen, what is your legal responsibility? Follow the traffic rules, wear the helmet. This is the legal responsibility of common citizen. Same business also have. Legal responsibilities. Don't indulge in anti-national activity. Don't sell black. Don't do black marketing. Don't do hoardings. Don't sell the products of inferior quality. Don't do smuggling. Means these are the laws which are the given by the government, so every business has to follow it. This is our legal responsibility. We have to follow those rules. Even for the employees, the businessman has to follow legal responsibilities. Then next is ethical responsibilities. Note down ethical responsibilities. Ethical responsibility is moral values to be followed in relation to the society, generally relation to the society. Means protect religious sentiments, dignity of people while advertising a product. Have you heard about that Tanishq withdraw one advertisement because people oppose it? Tanishq is a brand of jewelry. They withdraw one advertisement from the society, from the newspaper, from the TV, just because that people thought that advertising is a wrong message, hurt the sentiments of the society, dignity of people. So Tanishq brand recently withdrew one advertisement from the market, from the TV, from the newspaper and magazine. Why? This is their ethical responsibility. In India, we can say many big firms, big organizations are following that. They are fulfilling their ethical responsibilities. Religious sentiments, they don't use those words, they don't discriminate the channel, they don't discriminate between different religions. You can see in the Cadbury also. At the time of festival, generally they give festive packs. On the time of Christmas, at the time of Diwali, generally they give the advertisement on the basis of that occasion. This is their ethical responsibility. The next is discretionary responsibility. Word is there in the discretionary, that is voluntary. Discretionary means voluntary obligation, not imposed by the government, not according to the law, but voluntary we can do. Our responsibilities, that is discretionary, giving charity to an educational institution, helping people in natural calamities. Okay, now I will ask you the questions on the basis of different responsibilities. Discretionary means voluntary. Giving charity to an educational institution, helping people in natural calamities, etc. So today we completed 4 kinds of social responsibilities. One is economic, legal, ethical, discretionary. Economic responsibility, legal responsibility, ethical responsibility, and discretionary responsibility. Now I'll ask the questions from. Yes. Just now I explained you 4 types of responsibilities. Look at the screen. ELED. For learning purpose, you can learn it by this way. Lead. L. Legal responsibility. Legal responsibility means follow the norms and rules of the government. Follow the law of the country. This is our responsibility as a citizen, as a businessman, as a person. Legal. You can learn by this way, then it will be easy for you. L means legal responsibilities. Yes, Mayur. Now you will give me the answer. If you are not wearing the seat belt, the traffic policeman can impose penalty on you. So according to which responsibility we should have seat belt while driving? Mayur?
Discretionary responsibility.
No. Completely wrong. Anyone else?
Legal responsibility.
Legal responsibility. Why? Because that seatbelt rule is given by government, that is according to the law. Then they have to impose penalty on it. In discretionary, who will impose penalty on you, beta? Discretionary is completely voluntary, Mayur. If you are not donating, if you are not doing charity, someone will impose penalty on you. Then how you give the answer without thinking, my dear? Don't you understand the topic? Okay, I am explaining you again. L means legal. Legal means according to the law, we have to follow those responsibilities. E, economic, we have to earn sufficient profit. We have to earn money for our livelihood. We should have some employment, profession or business activities. That's why business is an economic activity. Then E, ethical. Ethical means we should follow some rules, some moral values. Don't hurt the sentiments of other religion. Then last is, Mayur, listen carefully. Discretionary. Discretionary means completely voluntary. It's up to you. Either you want to do the social service, charity, donation, it's up to you. So now another question. When due to COVID pandemic, many people migrate from cities to their rural areas. That's why film star Sonu Sood had various workers to send them to their homes. Which responsibility he has fulfilled? Yes, please. Yes, Mayur. Please give me the answer.
Can you repeat the question?
Anand, Akshi, Archit. Yes, Tanish.
Ma'am, discretionary responsibility.
Very good.
Ma'am, discretionary responsibility.
Very good. Discretionary because no one imposed on him to do the social service, neither the government nor the any authorities. That is completely voluntary. So, social services, voluntary, charity, donation, and if you are doing for something for animals, that all are under discretionary. So there are 4 types of responsibilities: legal, economical, ethical, and discretionary. Now I am asking you one more question. Mayur, I will ask from you only. Listen, you are doing something else. I'm sure. Oh, don't do two things parallel, my dear. Now it's your responsibility to give my answer. Not economic, not legal, not ethical also, I can say, but discretionary. Voluntary, you will listen my question. See, if someone is forcing us to say against any religion, and we are not ready to say that, and we are not follow that person's statements, which responsibility we will fulfill?
Ethical responsibility.
Very good. Now you are on the track. Now you are listening. Otherwise, you are doing something else. See, it's ethical. It's our duty to follow or to respect other religions, other gender. Don't discriminate on the basis of rich and poor, on the basis of gender, on the basis of religion. Now, one more question. Because generally I have given these type of questions in the exam. Yes, Savan, now you will give the answer. In Savan Enterprises, they are giving different salary to the male and female of the same qualification and for same work. But the payment is different. Which responsibility is not fulfilled by Savan Enterprises? Think about it. Only 4 are there.
I'm legal.
No law says it's up to the organization to whom they have to give higher salary, to whom they have to.
Ma'am, discretionary.
This is
Economic.
see, just now again I will explain. Again I am going to explain you this point. You are discriminating on the basis of color, caste, religion, gender. You are not giving respect or the sentiments of the any religion, then you are not following ethical responsibilities. See, in the CBSE, that chapter earlier was in class 12, and even some part of is there. In 12 business studies, some part of this chapter is in class 12 also. Like in an organization, there are 2 employees. Okay, in Aurora Enterprises, 2 employees are there. One is Salman Khan and another is Katrina. And Mr. Amir Khan is the manager, and he is giving more preference to Salman Khan, giving more salary, more facilities, more sanction of leaves, and the Amir Khan manager is not giving priority to another employee of the same qualification. Which responsibility Mr. Amir Khan is not following? Now they have given you many clues.
Ethical.
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 Ethical. Because you are discriminating the employees on the basis of religion, gender. If they are of the same qualification, it's your ethical responsibility to treat them equally. Got it? Now discretionary is entirely different term, not ethical. Okay? Now I am going to give you one more example. Mr. Karan Johar is making a movie with the actor as a son of Shah Rukh Khan and actress as a daughter of some other great personalities, and the aim is to earn profit. Aim to sell the movie at higher rates. Which responsibility he is fulfilling?
Economic.
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 Now, the responsibility is economic. Why? Because he is doing that work to earn profits. Okay? Now, Noel John. I am asking you the question. Because there is, we can say, for the aim of cleanest city, our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, launched a program, Clean India Mission, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. That's why one person, Noel John, listen carefully. Mrs. Sushma Arora willingly took steps and make a movie to show to the slums areas that what is the importance of cleanliness. And willingly she is doing that work for cleanliness. Which responsibility she is fulfilling? Yes, Noel John.
Discretionary responsibility. Discretionary responsibility.
Because the aim is not to earn profits. And that is willingly. Okay, got it? Clear? Legal. Now come on to the legal. Reliance Industries always pay gratuity, pension, provident fund to their employees because according to the Employees Contract Act in India, it is necessary to pay to the employees if the number of employees are more than 10 in every organization. Which responsibility Reliance Industries are fulfilling?
Legal.
Yes?
Legal.
Because that is according to the contract, according to the law. So if we are following the law, if we are following the norms, conditions led by the government, that is legal responsibility. So lead, you should learn lead, legal, economic, ethical, discretionary. Today we discussed various case studies about that, and I am sure you all must understand.